Hey, welcome back to the Fun Day Traders YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the results for the October competition, as well as some changes that have been made for the future of competitions as a whole. Now, you'll want to stick around to the end to find out what incredible prizes are in store for the December competition. Now, on to the competition. The October competition did not come without its own set of challenges. We set out to make the competition as fair as possible to eradicate gamblers once and for all. Gone are the days where traders rack up hundreds of percent gains, going even as high as 7 to 800%. We decided to implement the 5-lot rule. This rule would thwart traders from entering massive lots, thereby risking their entire accounts just to make enormous gains. Traders used to draw 50 lot, 100 lot on NASDAQ and US 30. Well, not anymore. The changes made to the competition are as follows. A 5-lot rule was implemented, which means the total number of lots open on the account at any time was 5. This can be a 5-lot on GBP USD, a 5-lot on USD JPY, and at the time, even a 5-lot on US 30 or gold. Now, we quickly ran into problems with this. The first problem was the large number of traders abusing the soft breach rule. The system was only detecting whether traders had opened more than 5 lots on any given day. For that specific day, the trader would receive an email that proclaimed that they violated the 5-lot rule and they were issued a soft breach. Now, the idea was that traders would be allotted the 3 soft breach violations before they would be completely disqualified from the competition. As the weeks ran on, towards the end of the month, the team decided it would be best to manually disqualify these traders as they were in clear violation of the rules. But they were trying to gain an unfair advantage in the competition. Now, we don't like cheaters, so we had them all exterminated. The next issue we faced was the discrepancy between 5 lots on indices and commodities versus Forex trades. Traders that are accustomed to trading Forex pairs are at a disadvantage when it comes to profits gained, as commodities and indexes are just too volatile. It can result in extreme profits, and it's not fair to the Forex traders. The team decided to curb all future trades made while trading indices or commodities to 2 lots per asset. This greatly reduced the profit margins and the balanced trading environment. This overall trading environment. This means that you still have 5 lots in total to trade, but now you're restricted to 2 lots when trading assets like gold, US 30, or NASDAQ 100. You're free to mix and match all positions as long as they equal up to 5 lots. You can trade 2 lots on US 30, 2 lots on NAS 100, or 1 lot of gold. Now, this is a prime example of a very high risk setup. Now, alternatively, you can enter a 5-lot on GBP Australian, maybe 1 lot, up to 5 individual lots on, say, CAD JPY. You can also trade a combination. You can do US 30 for 2 lots, and then 3 lots of GBP USD, and so on. There are so many ways to trade, but as long as you do not cross the 5-lot rule, you're going to be safe from breach. Whatever you decide to trade, you're now required to plan out your trades instead of full margin gambling like all previous competitions. With all the changes made, we believe we've achieved a fair trading environment, and we have the results to show for it. Without further ado, let's jump into the data for the top 3 finalists for the October competition. In 3rd place, we have Bonnie FX. They traded a total of 73 trades, winning 38 of them, and losing 34. This gives them an average win rate of 52.05%. Now, what I loved about their trading style is that their average risk to reward was 2.07. Their winning trades were $1,800 on average and $880 for their losing trades. With their win rate being 52%, they only needed a 32.57% win rate to maintain a positive balance. Thus, they were easily able to climb to the ranks of 3rd place to finish in the October competition. Now, I wanted to highlight one of their trades. They bought US 30 on October 4th at $29,856 price point. They held the trade for 3 hours, gaining a total of 3,790 pips with a profit of $19,025. Congratulations on the 3rd place finish and a $100,000 Royal Challenge. In second place, we have Lucky, for sure, of course. I'm not gonna butcher that name. This trader had a completely different trading style than third place. This may be the first time I'm ever witnessing this style, and it's a breath of fresh air when it comes to the competition reviews, because as we all know, it was always the same 500, 600, 700%, and so on. All we had before was gamblers. Now, we have a whole variety of traders, and it's really nice to see. This trader had a 75% win rate over the course of the competition. They traded 208 times, won 156 trades, and lost 52. What's interesting is their average risk to reward ratio. I don't think I've ever seen a less than 1.0 risk to reward on any kind of leaderboard. Their average winning trade was $560, while their average losing trade was $786. That puts their risk to reward at 0.71. Just to maintain a break even on their account, they would need to maintain a 58.48% win rate. Now, while I would highlight their best trade, they didn't have a single crazy trade like we would normally expect. We didn't have that. But instead, the win rate they amassed is truly special. 20 wins in a row, $14,000 profit. And then later on, 22 wins in a row with $14,485 profit. Shout out to this trader for an amazing run and a top 2 finish in the October competition, thus earning them a $200,000 Royal Challenge. And now, finally, the first place finalist, we have TH, for short, of course. Again, I'm not going to butcher that name, so here's the name displayed in all of its glory. The style of this trader is again completely different to any other trader. 27.59% win rate, 261 trades, 72 winning, and 187 losing. Now, the great thing about their trades is the large risk to reward ratio. A 4.49 risk to reward gives them enough room to take exceptional trades while maintaining a positive balance. By doing so, they were able to climb the ranks and earn a grand prize total of a $300,000 Royal Challenge. Their average winner ran for about $1,665, while their average loser was only $370. With their win rate being so low, you would expect an issue maintaining a positive balance, but this trader only needed an 18.21% win rate to break even, and that's truly impressive. Their best trade came from 2 indices positions. They were long in both US 30 and NAS 100. Now, with 2 lots apiece, this trader hit the jackpot, a staggering 12,570 pips on US 30 for $25,490 profit, 5,430 pips on NAS 100 for $10,872 profit. With those profits combined, they earned a first place finish in the October competition, giving them a $300,000 Royal Challenge, as I claimed earlier. Congratulations to you, TH. Now, before this video ends, I wanted to speak briefly about the upcoming December competition. Our plan is to have the largest trading competition on the internet. Some of the greatest prizes ever comprised in a trading event will be on the screen now. The last day to register is November 30th at midnight. May the best night win. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment down below letting me know if you're going to participate in the December competition, as the prizes are to die for. As always, thanks for watching this video. Peace.